Causes of rise and fall in demand. Rise and fall in demand take place due to the factors other than price. These factors are discussed below. A change in income. When income of a consumer increases, he purchases more of superior good and less of inferior good at the same price. Therefore, demand for superior good rises and that of inferior good falls. A change in fashion. Products in fashion are generally purchased more at the prevailing price. Similarly, demand of a product out of fashion falls without any change in their prices. Thus, with a change in fashion, demand of some product rises and that of other falls. A change in weather. A change in weather also influences the demand. For example, demand for tea rises in winter season and falls during summer season, irrespective of a change in its price. A change in population. When population of a country increases, demand for all goods rises even though prices of the product may or may not change. Change in supply of money. With an increase in supply of money in a country, people get more purchasing power in their hands. Thus, their demand for goods and services rises. The opposite will happen in the case of decrease in supply of money. Change in distribution of income. When there is unequal distribution of wealth in a country, the aggregate demand for consumer goods falls. But with an attempt to equalize the income distribution, money is transferred from rich to poor. In this case, demand for consumer goods rises. Rapid economic growth. When the economy of a country grows rapidly, it means that national income of a country is increased fast. When national income increases, demand for goods and services also rises because people become richer than before. Discovery of a substitute. When the substitute of product is introduced in the market, its demand falls. For example, a gas is good substitute of kerosene oil. Therefore, demand for kerosene oil has fallen. Change in price of a substitute. With the change in price of a substitute, demand for the product can rise or fall. For example, when the price of tea increases, demand for coffee rises, even though its price does not change. A change in the use of a product. With the change in taste of people, demand for a product can rise or fall. For example, if people start disliking sugar, its demand will fall. In the reverse case, demand will rise.